What would happen if your organization saw you as someone they simply couldn't afford to lose? Let's look at 7 practical ways to become more valuable and indispensable at work. You will discover how taking initiative, solving problems, developing your skills, and becoming someone others can rely on can strengthen your professional value. The good news is that becoming indispensable is not about working the longest hours or trying to do everything yourself. It is about consistently creating value. Let's start with the first strategy. First, understand what your organization needs. Don't focus only on your job description. Learn how your work contributes to wider organizational goals. Second, take initiative. When you identify a problem, don't always wait to be told what to do. Where appropriate, suggest practical solutions. Third, become reliable. Meet deadlines, keep your commitments, and communicate early when you face challenges. Fourth, keep developing your skills. The more useful skills you build, the more value you can bring to your organization. Fifth, solve problems. Professionals who can identify problems and help find solutions become valuable members of a team. Sixth, build strong working relationships. Being knowledgeable matters, but so does being someone people can trust and work with effectively. Seventh, make your results visible. Don't simply stay busy. Understand your achievements and communicate the value you have created. WLIA. Professional tip. Don't try to become indispensable by making yourself irreplaceable through one-person dependency. Become valuable by building expertise, solving problems, sharing knowledge, and helping the organization succeed. What is one quality that makes an employee truly valuable to an organization? Subscribe to WLIA for practical workplace, HR, career, and leadership insights. Like and share.